last class we discussed about how to import data, whether it is Excel or SAV file, using file menu. Today we are going to demonstrate how to edit data. There are few important functionality, like you can always by using Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y, you can undo or redo your changes, whatever you have done. You can copy paste your data, then you can copy and paste your variable into another new file from the existing file. Then another important functionality is you can insert variable, you can insert cases. Then another important function is you can find and you can replace your data. So when it is a large file and you want to simultaneously or at once you want to change some value, you can use Ctrl F and then you can type the value and you can replace it. So let us see that, how to do that. So this is the same file we are working upon. So in edit menu, whatever changes I have done, I can undo using this function. This is the shortcut for both that function. So it is disappearing and appearing, and we have also shortcut here for the same function. Okay, a copy paste you all know. Okay, then another important function is go to edit, copy with variable names, copy with variable labels. So click on that. Open new data, go to variable view, edit, paste. So this variable has been copied and pasted. Okay, suppose you want to insert new variable, then you can keep your mouse at the place where you want to insert new variable, then click on insert variable. So it will insert new variable, then you define new variable, whatever the name you want to keep. Suppose I am defining my new variable as daily work hours, the number of how many hours the person is working on daily shift. So numeric variable, and it is a scale. Okay, so this is how you can insert new variable. Alright, so we have now insert a new variable from variable view. If you want to insert new case, then you have to select a data view and you have to keep your cursor where you want to enter new case, then click on insert cases, and it has entered a new entry, blank entry. then you can enter a new case from here. It is a code. Your covers 7. So this is how you can insert case. It is very important when you want to enter case in between the previous cases, like here, edit insert cases. So it has inserted one blank case and you can edit it from here. Alright, so we have now inserted new variable and we have also inserted new case. Okay, then find and replace function. So suppose I want to replace this value 1 with the male and 2 with the female, then I will select it. I will go to find. So find and replace. I want to find 1 and I want to replace it with the male. Replace all. So it has replaced it with the male. Then I want to do the same thing with the female. So replace all. Okay, so actually we define this variable as a string variable, but even then we give it a value of 1 and 2 so that we can demonstrate this find and replace. Okay, so now it is a string variable and it is also having a value of string. Now whenever we have such string variable and we want to code it into the another variable, at that time also we can use the same function find and replace. So I will find male, I will replace it with 1. Then I will find female, I replace it with 2. Okay, so that I can give it as a numeric value and I can set the values for my code. Alright, so now you can see that it is a nominal variable, categorical variable, and coded as 1212. So control and replace is very useful function when you have a lot of string variable and you want to code it as a, replace it as a code, numerical code. Alright, that is for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.